Today I am explaining the core principles and philosophies behind the design behind the image data design. So we have the flat spot one that I designed. This is their welcome email. If you look, this is their old one. This is too much, too long, too much unnecessary things. And here is the one that I designed. If you see, this is the welcome email. So we have logo and the offer is in the reader's face as soon as they open. Then we have shop now button, and if you look, this hero section looks a lot more pleasing to the eyes. This is too much clutter and there's no visual clarity. Then you have some copy for brand introduction, and we have the product section and the footer. Product section and footer is same as the before one, but the main thing that I actually improved that will make all the difference for them is the hero section. The principles that I used here were clear visual hierarchy and minimalism. If you see, there's not too much going on. The reader is subconsciously and without expending a large amount of mental energy can digest the whole email. The second one is a design for a brand called Young LA. You might know them. So this is their before one, old one. We have links here which distracts the reader and hurts your conversion rate. Going below, we have offer. This offer should have been the one first thing that the readers see after they open their email. Then we have some product section, bridge section. This is okay, I agree. The main improvement is the hero section. So logo, I remove the links, and the first thing they see is the offer and Swapna button. I cannot stress enough how important this part is, especially having the offer and a CTA above the fold. And now this is one more welcome email from a children and women apparel brand called Newbie. They are making the same mistake also here. We have logo and their links, which as you know distracts the reader. Offer is here but it's too small. We have an image and the CTA button is very low. And in this email, the copy is too small and congested for the reader to consciously read subconsciously and for the eyes to be pleasing. The images are too small. If you see here, logo and same thing as before, offer and a big CTA. We have some copy for brand link, a reminder of the code, and a category wise option. That's all. If you see in all these three emails that I redesigned, the one of the best improvements I did was putting the offer and CT above the fold. So as soon as the reader opens it, they can go to the website and click. And this is more of a template that I like to use for welcome email. So is same thing here. This is very consistent, so that you know this is very important also. We offer big button. It's all same in the all the welcome. In these two, we have some bestsellers in both. This is the same templates for both of these. Then we have some this reversal and social proof. And this one we added category wise. If you see here, there's not much category. It's just sandals. But here we have category from backpacks, harnesses, beds, etc. And that's it. If you like this video, great. Subscribe, like, and also join my newsletter Link in the description. Bye.